Hey everybody, what's going on? Eric here with Switch Adapted Toys, and as you can probably already tell, this video is going to be a little bit different than our typical how-to videos. You can see there's nothing behind me, and the reason for that is we operate this out of our home, and last week our dishwasher, which we've only had for a year, decided it was going to spew a bunch of water out, and it made its way down here. So we've got a bunch of water damage that we're in the process of getting fixed. You might be surprised to find out that this isn't my full-time job. We actually own a carpet cleaning and water damage restoration company. So I'm in good hands, but it's just gonna take some time to get things back to the point where we can start filming in here again. So we're gonna get back to our Disneyland videos as quickly as we can. We're really bummed that we're gonna have to put that on a pause. If you haven't checked out our Disneyland video, I'll put a link in the description below. Basically, we went to Disneyland, purchased a bunch of toys there at the park, brought them home, and we were making how-to videos showing people how to adapt them. And we've got a couple up already. But we also adapted some toys and gave them away inside the park to kids that could use a Switch adapted toy. So that was a lot of fun, and it was really rewarding, and you should check out that video. And we'll get back to filming those how-to videos as quickly as we can. Fortunately, our 3D printers didn't get wet or anything like that, so we're still able to kind of fulfill people's orders that come in that need a Switch adapted toy or a Switch button. So that's still operating. You know, we're still, if you have questions or need support for our Switch chapters, we're still here. We still can do that, but it's just really kind of the filming in this room that's going to be on pause for a bit. So bear with us. We'll be back, and yeah, I've got some work I got to do. So I'm Eric with Switch Adapted Toys, and we'll see you next time.